Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the device identity. Open Settings, General, about to read the model and serial. This narrows which code you need. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and the device is on the same network as your computer, because pairing reveals codes. Connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC with Finder or iTunes. That connection is the first actionable step to surface pairing and device codes. You're now ready to request the identifier from the system. Now you pull the actual codes. Open Finder or iTunes and click the connected device to view its summary, then click the serial number to reveal the UDID. This is often the code you need. On Mac OS, you can also open System Information, select USB, and expand the iPhone entry to copy the UDID. If you have Xcode, choose Window, Devices, and Simulators. The device list shows the UDID and pairing status. By doing this, you verify both the identifier and finish by copying the UDID or pairing code into the profile, provisioning portal or diagnostic tool you're using, because exact matching prevents deployment failures. If the device is not recognized, immediately check the Lightning/USB-C cable and port, then tap Trust on the iPhone. Sometimes cables only charge. If that fails, restart both the device and the computer, and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This clears transient pairing issues and usually restores code visibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.